Hey there. So this video is for you today if you have ever thought about getting onto YouTube. Yes, if you've ever thought about getting on this platform that I am on right now, it doesn't feel like that long ago that I was sitting at a conference, a real estate conference, and I remember hearing a couple people on stage and they were talking about how YouTube had literally totally transformed their business. And I remember thinking like, I have seen really I've seen the power of what social media can do and what Instagram has done to my business, but I wonder what YouTube can do. And today I am so excited to share with you really how YouTube has changed my real estate business, how it can change your real estate business, and why I really, really believe that if you have any interest of getting onto YouTube, start today. Yes, start today. It is not as hard as you think, and it's actually not as scary as you may think too. It held me back for a very long time, and I am here today to share with you some things that hopefully will give you a little bit of an understanding of why YouTube is so important for your real estate business and really how you can really just get started today. And we're going to hop into it right now. Mariah K here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your very first time here. I'm a licensed and active luxury real estate agent, both here in Utah and also in California. And this channel is literally everything you need to know about building and scaling your business the modern way by leveraging the power of social media. If that is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below and make sure you tap that bell for notifications so you are notified every week I drop a new video. I hear from real estate agents like you all the time who are looking to build, who are looking to scale their business without burnout. Yes, without burnout. And I absolutely love it. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Let's chat. Let's see how we can really take your business to the next level. So today I am super excited to share with you really the power of YouTube. Yes, the power of YouTube and what it can do to your real estate business. It wasn't that long ago that I actually started my very first living in Salt Lake City, Utah channel with Mariah K Homes. Yes, I was sitting in a real estate conference and I was listening to these two guys speak, and they had not been in the real estate business for very long. And I remember thinking, like, they were talking about people reaching out to them and free leads. And they were, like all these different things. And I'm like, okay, people reaching out to you. Yes, please. Okay, free leads. Yes, please. Work when you want to work, in terms of like you're generating the content when you want to generate the content. Yes, please. There were all these different things where I thought, okay, this could really give me a handle on my business, and this could really help me in a massive, massive way. So all these different things, I went, okay, I want to learn more. Okay, yeah, I want to learn more. So really, I kind of went down a rabbit hole. I ended up buying several books that I will link down below that kind of gave me really more of an understanding of the importance of YouTube. And if you kind of know a little bit about YouTube, you will find out that YouTube is the second largest search engine. Yes, it is the second largest search engine next to Google. When people are searching things, people are going to Google and they are going to YouTube. Do you want to be on YouTube? Yes, you want to be on YouTube, because I'm telling you, if people are Googling or, really YouTubing your area, you want to be the one to show up. You want to be that trusted local expert in your localized market. So number one, the reach that you can have on YouTube is massive. It is massive. A lot of times when we think about our own localized market, if you're sending mailers or flyers or a neighborhood update, whatever that is, to a localized area, literally people can take a look at it and throw it in the trash. With YouTube, it is different. You are really creating a library of videos. Yes, you're creating a library of videos that will literally sit on your bookshelf for as long as you want until you decide to unlist them or whatnot. But you literally will have videos that are going to be on there and they are searchable. So if somebody is looking for living in Salt Lake City, Utah, or moving to Salt Lake City, Utah, or relocating to Salt Lake City, Utah, guess what? There's a good chance that my videos are going to show up simply because I have a library of hundreds of videos that are sitting there all about Salt Lake City, Utah. Wherever you are at, you might be in Arkansas, you might be in Texas, you might be in Maryland, you might be in California. Wherever you are, you can be driving traffic to your YouTube channel in your localized market. So, number one, like I said, is the net that you can cast, the audience that you can gain from YouTube is huge. So, for example, I remember when I started my Living in Salt Lake City, Utah channel with Mariah K Homes, I had started it as a way to showcase really different neighborhoods, different areas. I had heard that this, sort of marketing on YouTube can really work well for real estate agents. I just didn't know how well it could work. Literally, like, so not only are you, having a massive reach, but you are really niching down. And this is number two that goes along with your ideal clients. Yes, your ideal clients are the people that are really going to be reaching out. Because I am a mom, I have got 4 kids. My last 2 are twins. I talk about these different things in videos. My videos are really catered for a very family friendly sort of thing because the lens that I am looking at Utah here, a lot of it is through the lens of my kids, through my family, through the activities that we're doing. So when I'm showing them, oh, okay, here, here my family and I were at the park again. Oh, here we're at these biking trails. Oh, we just went hiking. We did all these things. I am drawing in an audience that really I want to work with because that is the stage that I am in. And I'm showcasing different things that I personally love. And so people that are reaching out are really attracted to that lifestyle that I am presenting. And it's very authentic because I am living it. I'm actually doing it. So these YouTube videos, not only are able to have a massive reach, but you are able to, number two, like I said, is really niche down on your target audience. If you are really into first-time home buyers, if you're really into families, if you're really into people that are relocating, if you're really into the luxury market, whatever it is that you are, want to specialize, maybe it's equestrian, maybe it's farm, maybe it's land, whatever it is, you're going to showcase that. You are going to continue to show up as that expert and you get to brand yourself in that particular way. Number 3, another benefit of using YouTube is simply the visual content and connection you are able to make with your audience. And like you can see, I am here in Utah. It is a gorgeous day. People get a feel of where you're shooting your videos. They start seeing and they're going, oh my goodness, I love the mountains. Oh, maybe you're near the beach. Oh, I love the beach. Oh, I love the desert. Oh, they're going to start seeing a visual of what you are showcasing. And automatically they're either going to be like, huh, you know what, that's actually really intriguing. I like that. Or, you know what, actually I'm glad I watched this because I'm not interested in that. So before they even reach out, they're going to get a sense one way or another. So that visual content with your library of videos that you are having on YouTube is, just so valuable that, really, it's something that you don't want to miss out on your business. Number 4, I touched on this briefly, but becoming the expert in whatever direction it is that you want to go. Because this is your YouTube channel, because you are branding yourself in a certain way, you get to showcase your expertise in whatever it is that you want to showcase. So yes, you have your visual content, but you also, like I said, will niche down on what it is that you want your ideal clients to see, because once they see that, you're going to have a lot of people that are going to be reaching out. For me, on my Living in Salt Lake City, Utah channel with Mariah K Homes, because I was born and raised in California, I showcase a lot of things of relocating from California because that is what I did. And so I get a lot of families that are relocating from California to Utah because they're going, oh my goodness, you were in that exact same position as I was. Like, okay, you're showing me areas that I have actually like been in and walked in, and I want to know more now. I want to work with you because you're my local girl. You are the one that I have been watching. So really, you become that expert of whatever it is that you want to showcase. Number 5, I touched on this briefly, but the lead conversion and lead generation that you will end up seeing through YouTube is, really is something that I have not seen on any of the other platforms, the social media platforms that I am on. You literally have people that will say, I want to work with you and I want to work with you only because I've been watching your videos for so long. I feel like I already know you. I feel like I already connect with you. So you don't have to go out thinking like, oh, you know what, maybe they'll work with me, maybe they won't. Or, there's really the lead conversion and the lead generation there is really second to none. So another great thing about using YouTube for your business is you will have some extremely loyal clientele. At least that has been, from my case, what I have seen. Moving right along, the next thing that I have personally noticed using YouTube in my real estate business is you are creating a pipeline business. Yes, you are creating this like massive pipeline where there are going to be people that have been watching your videos for 6 months, for 5 months, for a year, and they might not be ready to buy yet, but they will be ready to buy at some point. And I have had personally people that have reached out that have said, Mariah, we have spent hours and hours watching your content. We are so grateful for your content, and we're not going to be ready for another 6 months. I've actually had people reach out that have said, Mariah, we've been watching your videos ever since you started your channel. We're going to be retiring in 4 years from now, but we're and we are planning on relocating to your area. We're just not ready yet because we're still working, but in 4 years from now, you are our real estate agent. And I'm thinking like, wow, 4 years from now, like that's pretty crazy. But this pipeline business that you are building, that lead generation, like I said, that lead conversion, the network, the clientele that you are, forming relationships with that you don't even know. And like I had mentioned in the beginning, you are creating evergreen content. Yes, evergreen content, which means, like I said, that content is lasting forever. So you are creating that library of videos that just keep on going. So just like with some platforms, there are some videos that pop up really quick and then basically like die. So you don't see them anymore. The algorithm doesn't push them out anymore. With YouTube though, because YouTube has an SEO, that search engine optimization, yes, the SEO that goes along with it, it is searchable content. So that searchable content can be found forever. So the tags that you put on that really can start showing up, right away, but also can last for a very long time too. It's kind of like if you go on YouTube and you start to search something, you might see a video that ranks very high, but it was a video from 5 years ago. It was a video from 3 years ago. It was a video from 2 years ago, simply because maybe it was a really good video. Maybe a lot of people were watching. Whatever it is, there's a reason that that video is getting pushed out, which kind of leads me to the next one. YouTube is actually working for you. Yes, it is working for you. So while you're sleeping, YouTube is still working. Once you get enough videos up and running, and once YouTube sees that you are consistent, it is going to start suggesting your videos to other watchers that are watching things that may be similar or might be watching things that they think that that watcher would be interested in. So they will suggest that out to other people. So what that basically means is they are promoting your videos for free to a larger audience. I mean, I don't know about you, but free marketing, and I didn't even mention this, YouTube is free, people. YouTube is free. You can start a YouTube channel today. If you don't know how to start a YouTube channel, I'm telling you, if you literally go to YouTube and Google how to type it in, how to start a YouTube channel. I'm actually going to be coming out with a course of really like breaking down how I started my own YouTube channel, how I edit my own videos, how I literally do it in between driving carpool and, bringing my kids to soccer practice, literally how I have done it all from start to finish. So just know, if you are not on YouTube yet and you're a real estate agent, I'm telling you, the library of videos you create are evergreen. The lead generation and lead conversion is something I have literally never seen before. The loyalty that you will get from these people that are coming out, The SEO, since like I mentioned, YouTube is the second most, it's the search engine that is used, second to Google. And these videos, like I said, they live forever. So hopefully, hopefully you are going to be running right now and getting your YouTube channel started like yesterday, right? Today. And I'm telling you, I know when I got on YouTube, I thought, oh my goodness, like, is it really gonna, those guys were able to do it. I don't know if I can actually do it. And I'm kind of late into the game. Like, I gave myself all the excuses, right? Seriously, I gave myself all the excuses. Just start. Just start. And you will literally be high-fiving yourself a year from now because you're gonna go, oh my goodness, let's just say you put out one video a week for a whole year. You've got 52 videos, and those videos last forever. They are working for you day and night. YouTube will eventually start suggesting pushing those videos out, and it is free marketing for you. So if this hasn't convinced you enough, if you want to chat about YouTube, if you are looking to build, looking to scale your business the modern way, feel free to reach out to me. I talk with real estate agents all the time who are looking to build, who are looking to scale the modern way, and I absolutely love it. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Let's chat. Let's see how we can take your business to the next level. I am cheering for you. I am rooting you on, and you got this. Take care. Have a great one. Bye.